every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still try to.
Oh goodness. Now I've been here for the past couple of hours, trying to get some work done before I go to bed. And if you want to know the time now, time check is around 1:38 a.m. and I'm still awake, still active. I have to get the work done. I have a lot to do. I have a lot of project. I have a lot of homework. So I'm working on so many things at the same time. And in the daytime, I don't get time. Family man, I have a toddler. My wife is pregnant, so I have to take care of so many things. I have to take care of the baby when he comes back from daycare. He has to be with me. Literally, I cannot do anything. I can't open my laptop. He will come and close it, and he wants us to go out. He just wants to spend that kind of time with me, and yeah, I have to give him that kind of time that he needs. Yeah, the condition of my wife. Yeah, so that's why I've stayed up to this time. And you know what? I'm hungry. I didn't eat much this evening, and because I've stayed overnight, I'm hungry now. So I don't know what to do. I'm torn between eating something or not eating, but I feel that maybe I have to eat something. And I'm the type that I don't like tea much. My wife likes tea. She take a lot of tea, but I don't like tea. So that's something that I could have made tea, but I think that I will get something else. So I'll get to the kitchen and probably get some Indomie. At least Indomie is not that heavy. It's light. This is what I'm doing now. Yes. So I have some. So maybe 2 would be okay for me. It's in the night. I don't want to add any vegetable, or I don't want to do anything fancy. It's just something simple, fast, quick, and easy, so that I will get back to work and also be able to at least. And the good thing is today, because it's already 1 a.m. So today, which is Thursday, so I do not have any classes until 12:30 p.m. So that's a good thing. So it means that even when I go to bed late, I can have at least some enough sleep until 12:30. The only difficulties is, or the only bad aspect about this is that I have to be able to wake up early by 7, 7:30, so that I can get my boy ready, take him to daycare. So that's the only difficult aspect. Other than that, that should have been perfect. I could have gone to bed, 3 a.m. and sleep until like 10, 11, when I can now wake up and prepare and go. I have some red pepper. We like pepper in this house, so I will add a little bit of pepper at the end of the day just to spice it up. Water is boiling, so I just take them, stir this. In some of the pepper, so that it will cook that. My wife likes pepper, hot, spicy pepper. I don't know. Maybe after giving birth, this baby will just start chewing pepper here and there. Because she likes spicy a lot. A lot. just hope that after eating this, I'm not going to sleep. So I'm adding the flavor. But my wife, she just like it dry, kind of. So I'm going to, no time to waste. My eyes are closing. My eyes are closing. But I have a target for myself that I have to complete certain project, certain assignment before I sleep. I don't know, but my eyes are literally closing. It's not easy. So I don't know whether after eating, but yeah, I have to be able to stay a little bit after eating. So this for my wife. And this is for me. So I'll take my wife on and go and give her. See, at this time, somebody that was sleeping woke up and just said, I will take some. I will take some. Wow. So it's ready. Babe, Indomie is ready.
Oh. Oh. The aroma is good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh. Jesus.
Oh. It didn't fall.
Yeah, it didn't
Oh,
fall.
wow.
Wow.
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you,
Okay, you're welcome.
This
It's hot though, and spicy too.
is what I want. Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, I've just served my wife. As I said, I was cooking and she woke up, pee, and just said, what are you cooking? I'll take one. So I'll just giving hers.
Add more pepper.
Yeah. So I'm going to have my, as I said, in an hour time, then I'll go to bed. Okay, so let me know if you need anything.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, so this is how it is. See? I believe I can off all these lights now. Oh, this one. Oh, goodness. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do anything after eating. It's a little bit crazy. Wow. I like this. See? So this is soup. I like that. I like that part. Yeah. This like broth. And it's very tasty. So guys, thank you so much for being with me. After eating, we'll continue. I don't know whether I'll continue to study or probably I'll go to bed. But let's see what happens after eating. Thank you so much. Bye for now. This is the life of a PhD statistics student with a toddler and a pregnant wife. Bye.